onion shreds, potato slices, carrot slices, ham cubes, 2 eggs, fried eggs. Fry the carrots and ham cubes. Fry the potato slices. Fried onion. Minced meat. Minced garlic. Add salt. Add a little wine. Turn on low heat. Stir fry the minced meat. 5 grams of tomato sauce. 5 grams of sugar. Turn to medium heat. Stir fry evenly. Add cooked pasta. Slowly stir fry evenly. Let the minced meat and pasta touch well. Finally, sprinkle some salt, pepper. Pair with the fried ingredients. Start eating. This pasta is mine, but the first bite is for you in front of the video.